What's poppin', guys, it's Dynamite, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to send stems. And before we start, I wanted to thank you guys for the 600 subscribers. I dropped a free MIDI kit just for you guys. The link is in the description below. Now, right now I'm on FL Studio, and let's say you have another Jersey Club producer who uses Ableton, but you still want to send this file, your project file, to him or her. Now, the way to do this is to first open up your project file. Make sure all the sounds are linked to your mixer board. And once you do that, go to your files, hit export, then click wave, then click the location on where you would want to export the stems. In this case, I'm gonna go to my stems folder, and I'll call this No Worries.
It's your favorite song.
Now you click save. Now make sure you click split mixer tracks. Then once you do that, FL will export each individual mixing track. Finish exporting. We're gonna go to Ableton. Now once you have Ableton open, go to your options, go to preferences, go to record warp and launch, and turn off auto warp long samples and create fades on clip edges. And once you do that, select all the stem files and drag them onto Ableton while holding Control on Windows. When you hold down Control, it'll make a new track for each one of the stem files, as you can see right here. And all you have to do now is just bring it to the beginning. And that's how you collaborate with someone from FL to Ableton.